The Golf R Mk8.5s that we've had recently have proven to be incredibly popular. Now, I think this car will be equally as popular for several reasons. It's VAT qualifying, January 25 registered, so it's as good as new. It's in Lapiz Blue, it's got the sliding panoramic sunroof and the upgraded wheels. Now, it's a black edition, so with that you get the increased performance, which we'll touch on when we get to the back. The colour is very popular. I had one in earlier on in the week, and if you've watched our stuff, you will know how quick that sold. So that sold instantly. A couple of 100 miles, 3 years remaining on your manufacturer's warranty and your breakdown cover. Now, on the black edition and the 8.5, they increase the look, they change the style. You now get the illuminated LED bar across the grille and on the badging as well. There's Lapiz Blue, I think works wonderful with the black edition because you get all these gloss black accents, you get it round the sides, and you've also got those IQ lights as well, which tie in lovely with that new LED system that they've got. The wheels, I won't try and pronounce because I don't want to get the word wrong, but they are 19-inch upgrades in gloss black. So again, the black edition, the whole idea is just to give it that stealthy, cool look and give it all blacked out. The sliding pan roof, I've mentioned on videos before, for me, it is a great piece of spec, and whenever we have one with the roof, they sell very, very quick. Now, the Golf R is based on a Golf, obviously, and because of that, it's a car that appeals to a lot of people. So you've got a 5-seat hatchback, plenty of space, you've got all that VW reliability, but then now you've got the performance to back it up. So with it being a black edition, they increase the performance, which is something they've never done before. So you have 333 brake horsepower, de-restricted speed to 167 miles per hour, and you have the drift, Nürburgring and special mode. So previously, would have been called a performance pack, but it's now standard on a black edition. Good boot space, you've got the quad pipes at the back as well, so you've got practicality mixed in with the performance. These things are quick, they do 0 to 60 in a very, very good time. They're also 4Motion, so with that is 4-wheel drive, so you can comfortably put the power down and drive it every day. Another thing to mention, rear view camera is now standard, used to be an option on the Mk8, and then you get things like winter pack, now also standard on a black edition, so that's heated seats. But VW do bless you with spec. Have a look at that screen as well, so just under 13 inches worth of screen, which is far bigger than its previous, but it controls absolutely everything. So that has your Apple CarPlay, your Android, your media, your navigation all comes up on there as well. Compared to BMW, Audi and Mercedes, I think VW give you a lot more spec for your money. So as standard, you have heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise. This is all standard, this display. So again, it's modern, state-of-the-art, up-to-date. Everything is on there. I mean, have a look at how busy that screen is. Your climate control, your heated seats, your rear view camera, which I've just mentioned, everything comes up in there. Even if your different driver assistance, safety systems, they all change from in there as well. The mode I was mentioning earlier that comes part of what was the performance pack is in here. Drift mode, special mode. So again, that will affect things like throttle response, power output, steering. The car does have a good sound to it. It's a 2-litre engine, produces a lot of power. You've got your different R modes on the steering wheel as well. Sliding pan roof, so again, that just all works at the touch of a button. So if you did want that closed back over, you can do. I think it gives it a better look from the outside, just as well as it does on the inside. Yes, it lets in light and air, but from the outside, you've got that black roof, which just ties in lovely with the black edition, with the mirrors, the spoiler, and everything like that. So great cars, VAT qualifying. Now, in the politest way possible, if you don't understand what the benefit to that would be to you from a VAT registered company point of view, then this wouldn't be relevant to you. But again, the price is inclusive of VAT. So if you're private or if you are VAT registered, the price is the same. It's just what you can do with that depending on what you are as a company. So bear that in mind. Delivery miles, Lapiz Blue with all the spec you would want. So if you are interested, it is going live, but as we've shown, we do sell them quick. So please act fast. Give me a call on my number. My name's Paddy. You'll find it in the description. Feel free to give me a ring. I'll answer any questions that you've got.